What the fuck is that? It's a fidget spinner, a midget mitten, a fidget spinner, a fidget fitter. Dude, don't fuck with me. A middle finger, wow. Now what if I were to take IT massive? Come get it, you Roman college. MML, you never get it. Now massive, fork up the toy. Unconscious, huh? I don't. What do you mean you don't have it? You were running around with it? Forget it, let's just go home, I guess. What about the spinning toy? I can always buy another one for $8.
Imagine me and you, I do. I think about you day and night. It's only right to think about the girl you love and hold her tight. So happy together. If I should call you up, invest a dime, and you say you belong to me, release my mind. Imagine how the world could be so very fine, so happy together.